In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most important questions you get in PT, and that is dictation. Dictation is one of the most important questions for both listening as well as writing. And do you know that this is one question where for writing one word you get 1 point. Even if that word is a small word like the or an, you get 1 point. So how do you actually need to do dictation, and what are the important things to keep in mind? Let's discuss that. The first important thing in dictation is make sure that your sentences start with a capital letter, something that many people forget. And another thing is, if you can't remember the first word, then the second word should not start with a capital letter. Because remember, in the computer database, the only word which has a capital letter, unless there are other words, is the first word. And don't forget the full stop at the end of the sentence. You might get up to 4 questions in your test, and always make sure that you have 1 minute for each question. If you don't have 1 minute for each question, then at the end of the test, you'll be in a rush and you are more likely to make mistakes. After writing the sentence, you should also have enough time to look at what you have written, make sure that everything is making sense and you have correctly spelled all the words and you have not made any typing errors. Sometimes what happens is we hear one word, we write it, but when we read the sentence, we feel like the word in the context is not making sense. It usually happens because of the homophones, which are the words which have same pronunciation but have different spelling and meaning. In order to get rid of these problems, you need enough time to read your sentence and make necessary changes. Another thing is, the length of the sentence will be different. Some sentences can be up to 17, 18 words long, and you may not remember all of that. That's fine. As long as you can remember more than 90% of the sentence, in case of most of the sentences, you should be fine even to get 79 plus. For other important things about dictation, such as how you can remember the whole sentence, what are the things you need to think of, and how you can prepare yourself to score better in the test, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube as well as on Facebook, where we post more exciting videos which help you to get the score you desire. And if you want to get one-to-one feedback, personalized sessions, as well as the past exam questions, you can enroll to one of our classes. We offer both online as well as face-to-face classes. Until our next video, have a good time.